Okay, as I mentioned in my original first look at the Teeno Cordless circular saw, I've done a couple of short projects around the house. I managed to get 2 hours 45 minutes of use out of the 4 amp hour battery, and in regards to the quick charger that comes with the saw, after that 2 hours 45 minutes of use, it took approximately 2 hours 50 minutes to fully charge the battery. So would I recommend this? Yeah, I certainly would. It's been an excellent piece of kit, to be fair. Performed well. Due to the 24 tooth, what I would call rip blade, the finish was good, really pleased with it. So yeah, nice circular saw.